Welcome. Today we're gonna be talking about the kind of solubility. First, I'm gonna be telling you what's a soluble and what's insoluble. Soluble: oil, fats, organic solutes like benzene are soluble. But insoluble means organic fats that don't dissolve in water.
A mixture is made from different substances that are not chemically joined. These substances could be elements or compounds or both together.
For example, iron, zinc, and sulfur. When we mix them together, they make a mixture of iron, zinc, and sulfur.
They can be separated from each other without a chemical reaction, in the way that different color sweets are separated. Can be picked out from mixed packet and put into separate pieces.
Now we're gonna show you new report to give you some examples and to show you more things about mixtures.
Hello, welcome to our show all about solubility. Today we are going to do an experiment to see how different kinds of solute meaning is the solute that will be dissolved or not dissolved in the liquid. And now we are going to start with our experiment. Now Miriam will tell you the substance who are performing this experiment.
So we have with us three students. Three students. Welcome.
My name is Minna.
My name is Alia, and my name is Hannah.
We are gonna be joining them in the experiment. So now, for the experiment to be fair, we have put half a cup of water in every single cup, and we're gonna put from the solute half a tablespoon. The solute is the sugar. Honey, now please start the timer.
Okay, I'll start at 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, done.
As you can see here, the sugar had dissolved in the water fully, but there's still some sugar.
Like Miriam says, here's a half cup of going to put inside it sand.
So the solute is the sand.
I'm gonna count 30 seconds again.
Yes, please, Hania.
Okay, start.
Like I can see, it's still dissolving.
Stop!
As you can see here the sand didn't dissolve because there's still a lot amount. So
It still shows in the cup.
yes. Okay, again, the sand didn't dissolve. It's still shown in the water. Here.
Now in cup 3, we're going to start with the tea.
We have tea.
And make it a little even. I'm gonna put it in cup 3.
Hania, please start the timer.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, stop.
As you can see here, none of the pepper dissolved. Tea dissolved.
It looks like pepper right now because it's all black. Now, we're going to start with the salt. In cup 4. We're gonna add and make it even. Okay. I'll start.
One.
Sorry, can you start?
1, 2, 3, go. Stop.
As you can see here, the salt dissolved like the sugar. Completely. Now, we're going to continue to the flour. The same amount as the salt. Put it in cup 5.
Do it even.
Start, Sarah.
Go.
Stop.
It actually didn't dissolve quite a bit, but it did color the water. Now we're going to continue with the cumin.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The same amount as the others.
Start.
Okay,
Stop.
Okay, as you can see, it didn't dissolve, but it gave a color.
Like the flour.
Like the flour.
So now we are going to do the pepper in cup in cup 7. So here is the pepper. Going to get the same amount as the others. Now in cup 7 here. Do I start mixing?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop.
Okay, as you can see here, it didn't dissolve and it gave a color. The color
And it
was
also
disgusting.
got a smell.
Yeah.
Like the cumin and the flour.
Here. So and now we also have the ginger powder from here. We're going to put it in cup 8. Just going to get the same amount. Yeah, thank you, Alia. So I'm going to put it here. Cup 8. Do I
Go.
Do I start? Okay.
Stop.
As you can see here, it kind of it did dissolve as there is no particles. Plus, it also made a color.
And it also, when you get the spoon with it, you can still see the particles of that.
Okay. And you can start.
Just gonna wash the spoon. Ali's gonna put a different kind of flour. The corn
I'm going
flour.
to put the corn flour in cup 9. Do I start?
Yes.
Go.
Stop.
As you can see here, it dissolved and it gave a white color.
Just like the flour, the normal flour, but it gave a little liquidy look.
So now I'm going to put the rice in water cup 10. Do I start?
Yes, please.
Stop!
As you can see, it didn't dissolve.
You can still see the grains
You
of
can
rice
still see grains of rice.
sitting at the bottom.
Okay,
She
thank
has
you,
to
bye-bye.
leave right now, so
We'll continue.
So now we concluded that some of the solutions, the solute dissolved, but some didn't. So they didn't dissolve because they had because the molecules of them are bigger than the space in the water. So it didn't have. So it didn't.
most of them didn't dissolve.
Yeah.
Thank you for seeing this experiment.
Breaking news!
So the conclusion is that some of the solutions dissolve and some do not. That means that some are soluble and some are insoluble. That's because because in the water, the ones that weren't dissolved don't have space to fit inside of the water's space because the molecules are too big for it.
Breaking news! We have seen right now that the corn flour has 30 powder and 30 oobleck. And 30 oobleck. Now, as you can see, turn into a completely different solution. And we have the ginger that became the exact thing.
This is the kind of ginger we used to that this happened.
It's from Imtanin. Okay. So
The powder
So
has
can-
came back.
so can I? Sorry, Miriam, but can I please finish my conclusion? Thank you. So the ones that did dissolve, they dissolved because the water had space for their tiny molecules. So it's as if they disappeared in the water, but actually they just dissolved. So thank you for watching this news. Now we'll tell you a poem.
Thank you for
the-
seeing this
experimenting
for this
about
It's called Mixers and Solution. Yo, mixers and solution. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Get a little tricky if you don't try. Mixers can be separated with your hands. Like spaghetti, fruit salad, and pasta and sand. Solutions are so different like the ocean combination. The only way to separate is with evaporation. Yo!